Hey, what's up? Welcome to my crib. Is this MTV? Hello! Hi, I'm Gabby. I am a 22-year-old graduate student living in Manhattan, and today I'm finally doing the long awaited room tour. So if you're interested in seeing just like a basic New York City room in East Midtown, then keep watching. All of my socials will be linked down below. You can follow me on Instagram at Gabby Whiten. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into it. I will be linking everything that I can find down below, so check that out. But if I do forget to mention where something's from and you want to know, hit me with a comment, DM me, whatever. I will answer and I'll let you know. Yeah, so let's do it. All right, so this is just my door, basic doorknob. And when you first see my room, this is what you see. So basically I was going for a very like minimalist neutral with like gold accents. All right, so once you're in my room, I'll just do a quick overview. Okay, so when you first walk in, obviously you come through my door. On the back of my door, I just have command hooks with all of my crossbodies, my handbags, and then my like totes. And then I have like one lonely hat hung up there. We have a she believed she could, so she did. I believe I got this from TJ Maxx like 3 years ago. It was in my old apartment. I usually keep a pair of sneakers right here and my dirty hamper for like my dirty clothes. Okay, so basically my room doesn't have a closet. I was watching Morgan Yates videos when they were doing their closet room in their house, and she found these clothing racks from Amazon, and they're really inexpensive, which is nice. So I have all of my neutral clothes in here because it like goes with the room, and then I have like a smaller closet outside where I put like my heavy coats and like colors, like my bright colors that I never wear are in that closet as well. So we'll do a close-up. So my clothes just go from white and browns and creams to grays to blues and then to blacks. So it's a pretty color-coded system. And my mom graciously let me keep her Louis Vuitton boxes from when she bought her Neverfull. So I have these displayed. Yeah, those aren't mine, unfortunately. Yeah. And then I have my clothes hung up in no really particular order other than color. And then down here, I have all of my shoes, also from like light to dark. And then another pair of booties. And then this rack here has 4 shelves attached to like a normal rod. So this is one shelf from there to there. This is another one. And then that's a third one. So I got 3. Yeah. And then up here I have this cute little letterboard sign. The next shelf has accessories, so I just have my necklaces, my bracelets and watches, and then my Pandora ring is in the back. I have my earrings hung up, and then 3 pairs of sunglasses. These are my all-time favorite. They're from Boohoo and they were like $4. And then I have my jeans in color-coded fashion, of course, on this 3rd shelf, and then more shoes. So moving on, we have this lamp. It's from Target. I love it. It's super cute. It's about 5 feet, I would say. So it's kind of a short lamp, but I really like it. And then my rug, because I know I'm gonna forget this if I don't say it now, but it's from IKEA, and it's just got this really cool geometric shape, and it is kind of hard to keep clean. It's like a white gray, but it's not super bad, and I've had it for 4 months now, so yeah. And now moving on to my bed, which is like probably my second favorite part after like my clothing racks. Over my bed, I have two prints, one that says chic and one that is an old camera that has like all the pieces taken apart. Those are both from Decenio, not very expensive, got here really quickly for shipping. Love it, would order more. And then this is my bed. My comforter is from Macy's. That I will link it down below if they still have it. It was pretty inexpensive and I love this kind of like texturing on it. And then this pillow is from Macy's as well. This pillow and this pillow are both from World Market. My throw is also from Macy's as well. And it's super warm too for when it gets cold. Moving on, so this is the other part of my room. So all of my furniture that's not the clothing racks is from IKEA. So this here is an 8-drawer dresser. It is like 100% the best dresser I think that I could have gotten from IKEA. It fits so much clothes and just everything. So I have all of my folded stuff. So like workout gear, plain shirts like turtlenecks and t-shirts, and like all of my bras and underwear and swimming suits and sports bras and whatever. All my pants that aren't jeans are in there, so it fits a lot of stuff. I have 2 pairs of boots here because I have so many shoes and not a lot of space. I have my purse, which is from Amazon, just sitting there. My little TV, you can see me, hi. And then we have another print from Decenio, and this frame I think is from TJ Maxx. I will link down similar. And then I have this candle that I made when I went to a Dunkin' Donut event at BuzzFeed. But I have it flipped around because the orange doesn't really go with my room, obviously. And yeah. Then this mirror that I love, love, love. If you've watched my videos, you are very familiar, LOL, at my slippers. But this huge mirror is from IKEA. I really love it. I take all of my outfit photos in it. It's really awesome, top notch. And then I have a huge window situation. I love it. It brings so much natural light in. It's really great. And then we have my desk situation.
Rain it on me. Rain it on me.
So basically the desk is from IKEA. It has a pull-out drawer and then this kind of like door situation. And then I have my iMac, which I love and I use a lot already. My lamp is from Target, super cute. And then I have a candle from Bath & Body Works on here as well. And then my chair is from Amazon. I love these like vortex chairs. I have 2 more in the dining area of our apartment. And then that trash can is from Target as well. So to be transparent, my room is clean, but my drawers are not. So I just keep like a random assortment of stuff. So I have like weird mailings, pens and pencils, scissors, my passport, my G drive, which is like where I put all of my photos, like box cutters, just command strips, random stuff like that. And then in this drawer I have like gift cards, from, I basically put all my brand stuff in here, or like if I'm working on like a blog post and I just need to easily reach everything, so like my Secret Santa gift is in here. I have a battery for my DSLR, some EOS that I was sent, just like random stuff in here. And then in here is like a door with some dressers, but I have like my memory box, some old planners, notebooks, my iPad, my box that my keyboard came in, command hooks, Post-its, just random stuff in here. So it's a very spacious desk for sure. And then over here, I think I have what literally all of 2010 Pinterest had, and it's the Raskog cart from IKEA. It's really awesome. I have my makeup on top, so just like my brushes in these mason jars. This is from At Home, which I don't know if a lot of places have it, but it's kind of like Garden Ridge. I think it replaced Garden Ridge. I have perfume, deodorant, moisturizer, fun stuff. I keep my AirPods, my wallet, and my ID right here just for like easy reach. Some lip balm. Keep my hair products down here with some more makeup, and then more hair products and makeup remover and stuff. And then lastly, in this corner, we have my nightstand. My nightstand is from IKEA. It matches my big 8-drawer dresser. And on my thing, I just have whatever candle I'm burning. So at the moment, it's Marshmallow Fireside. I have my pillow spray from Bath & Body Works. My Anthropology mug that has a G on it. This like random little G I think I got at like the dollar store at Target or something. I have this lamp from Target as well. It has 2 really big drawers. These are super messy, but basically I just have like a lighter for my candle, some lotion, earbuds, I guess, my TV remote, some other stuff, the box that my iPhone came in, my empty vitamins that I need to replace. Yeah. And then down here, I just have like cleaning supplies. I have a duster, a dirty clothes bag, my steamer, random Anthropology bag. I think these are what my AirPods came in. Yes, my AirPod box. Yeah. And then last but not least, I keep my suitcase out. So these are from Calpac, and it just has the really big one, which if you can't, this thing is huge. So it's like the really big one, a medium one inside of that, and then a carry-on inside that. So I keep them out because they're cute and they match. So that is my room. I hope that you liked it. I love it. I think it turned out really great. Yeah. So overview again from a different angle, I guess. And yeah. If you're new around here, be sure to check out my blog, gabbyandthecity.com. Yeah, so some basic info that I'm sure people are gonna just be curious about. I'm not gonna tell you how much I pay in rent just because I feel like that's kind of weird, but I do pay over $1,000. Rent here is expensive, but I get subsidized rent through NYU, so that makes it affordable for me to live in Manhattan, which is really nice. I have one roommate, she's awesome. I think that's pretty much all people have been asking. I live in like East Midtown. My neighborhood's fine, it's safe, which is what I really want. And yeah, so my camera's about to die. I already filmed this on my vlogging camera, so I hope that you enjoy the style of this video. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Follow me on social media at Gabby Whiten.